Hello, friend! As you can see, our city now has a hospital, police station, a fire station. No city can live without them.
Emergency call! Emergency call! There is an accident on the highway. The truck turned upside down and is now on fire. Traffic on the highway is blocked. Hurry up!
Looks like we need to reconstruct the timeline of our events. Thanks to video surveillance cameras, the ones that watch, we can do it easily with their help. The truck was moving to the south, but while moving to the left, the truck's wheel hit a rock and the truck overturned several times. Wow, look at it roll. We better call emergency services, but it looks like they're already in place. It's time to get to work. Police block off the traffic. Doctors provide emergency medical assistance to the driver of the truck. And the firefighters put out the fire. Great! The fire is extinguished. It's now time to call a tow truck. Super! We did it! And now it's time for everybody to go back to their places. Firefighters are sent to the fire station. Police go back to the police station. And the doctors go back to the hospital. Everyone who has just joined us. We are here at the Monster Truck Racetrack once again. Today our town has incredibly sunny weather. Wow! Our monster trucks are getting prepared for today's races. We will hold several trial runs around the city and even off-road. And it will be great for all of them. And for you.
Attention, all monster fire trucks. There are a few houses that have caught fire on the outskirts of the city. Access to these buildings is difficult. Hurry up, stop the fire.
Ready, set, go!
The fire is extinguished. The second monster truck breaks up ahead. It's unbelievable!
Emergency call. Emergency call. A house has lit on fire. Please come as fast as you can. You ready to start?
Go!
Unbelievable! The first monster truck wins the race and the crowd goes wild!
Excellent! Now it's time to return to the fire station.
Hey everybody! In our last series of monster truck adventures, TJ, Minnie, Woody, and Sally asked for the police to help them to find this evil monster truck. Oh, he makes me so mad. And also, just for the police, we upgraded one of their police trucks to make them more effective and help us to find and thwart this dastardly evildoer. How cool this is! This police monster truck is wicked hardcore! I think our heroes need to open their own service station with a garage so they can do all their own tuning, making their cars into monster trucks. And here's the right place to build our monster trucks of justice. Let's take a look and decide what construction vehicles we may need to help us. I think we'll need a crane, a dump truck, and of course, a tow truck. But where can we find all these construction vehicles? It is necessary to get around the city, so let's look for the construction vehicles here that are working to help people get around. Let's go on and look for a dump truck. Friends, we really need your help. We want to build a service station where we can fix cars, trucks, do tuning, and anything that we need for this town. Hooray! Look, it's a crane. Mr. Crane, we really need your help. We want to build a service station where we can repair our monster trucks, modify them, and build them up. Yay! The crane agrees to help! Come on! Here's the tow truck, too! Mr. Tow Truck! Mr. Tow Truck! We need your help, too! Will you help us to build a service station? Yeah! The tow truck agrees! Our town is so friendly. It's time to return to the construction site. Let's set the cones to mark the boundaries of our construction site. Let's start with the walls. All done. Now the roof. Harambe! We did it! Now all that remains is to hang a sign. Now, we need to prepare all the different car parts for tuning. Wheels, bumpers, and all the tools we'll need to put those on. It looks like we're ready, but who's going to be the first one to test out our new station? Mr. Tow Truck, why don't you give it a try? He agrees, so let's begin. We start with a suspension. It needs to be very reliable, as this is what holds the car together. We remove the old one and install the new, which is so much more powerful. Let's set the big wheels. It looks like the medium-sized wheels will fit just right. Excellent. Finally, we need to establish a special bumper with the grill. Now, to set a new one. More durable and aggressive as well. Yes! The tow truck monster truck is finally ready. Woo-wee! Look at him. He sure is cool. In our last episode, the monster trucks went on their way to the Super Mega Race. But before it started, they decided to stop by the gas station, where Sally just didn't seem to get enough gas, and because it was on their way. Only due to Red the Truck and his gas can did our friends have an opportunity to continue on to the race without any more stops.
Friends, it looks like there is a road under repair up ahead. How can we get around it?
Well, TJ, take a look. There's a detour up ahead to a side road.
Oh, that's great. But where do we go now? There's no other arrows. Sally, I remember that you have a GPS navigation. Let's see where this road leads.
You're right. It is better to look at our destination from the sky.
Look. The first one goes into the forest.
This second road goes to the lake. And if we take that one, we will just not get to the super race in time.
I think that third road may be the best. If we drive along this road, we can go around the other road that is under repair. Minnie, come on and catch up.
Easy, sugar.
Monster trucks, please be careful. Oh no! It looks like TJ got a flat tire. TJ, did you run over a nail and get a flat tire again? But, what do we do? We don't have any extra tires to fix it.
I think we need to call our friend the tow truck, who has a cell phone. Minnie, you must look in your trunk. You always have so many different things in there.
Oh yeah, I remember. I think I did put it in there. Let's look. I have a doll. Some nesting blocks. A flasher. Oh, look, there it is. The cell phone's in here too.
Hello, tow truck? Our friendly monster truck TJ has gotten a flat tire. We need your help. Hello, monster trucks. Where can I find you?
We drove to the neighboring town along the main road, but stumbled across another road that is under repair. Then, we followed the detour and are at the next crossroad. It looks like we chose the first road on the right side, which leads to the neighboring town around the main road.
Okay. I think I've remembered the way. I'll be there very soon. Here is our tow truck friend. He found the way to us so fast. Hooray! Tow truck, you are so fast. Let's load up TJ and find a service station in the nearby town. Let's go! Hello, monster truck. Do you think you could tell us a place where the closest service station is?
Hey there, friends. Well, just go along this road here. At the end of the street, you'll see it on the left side. Get your help there.
Hello, monster truck mechanic. We need your help. Our friendly monster truck TJ has gotten a flat tire.
Of course I can. No problem at all.
First, he takes off the big flat tire, but now we need to choose a new one. This one's too small. And this one's too big. But this one right here, that looks like the right fit. Super! TJ, you're ready to go. Tow truck, thank you so much for your help. Hey there to all the fans of Monster Truck Racing. Today, we will see the performance and race of two hot rides. But first, let's take a look at the racetrack. our racers will have to overcome different obstacles like pyramids, cones, cubes, cylinders, and even balls. At the end, they will meet up with a springboard that they have to jump over. Well, here they are, the fire monster truck and the monster school bus. Awesome! The monster trucks are ready to start. Go! Here is the first obstacle, the pyramid. The fire monster truck is breaking into the lead. Cones are up next. Wow! This school bus is really fast too. And next up we have the cylinders. Oh no! The school bus has gotten stuck! Our racers are going stride for stride with each other. Unbelievable! School bus has won the first race, yeah! But there are 2 more left. Monster trucks, on your mark, go! And the fire monster truck is taking the lead right out of the gate. He passes the cones, cubes, and cylinders. Nice. Ooh, the school bus is dragging behind. Oh no! Last jump, here it comes, yeah! Fire truck is the first to hit it this time. This has been a really cool race, but who's gonna be the winner? Go, 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 monster trucks! Here comes the final lap. The school bus is taking the lead, but he crashes into a cube! Be careful! I see that the fire monster truck is catching up to the school bus. Who's crossed the finish line first? They pass the balls, and the fire monster truck is rocketing forward. Awesome jump! And he is the winner of the race today. Super! And now, my dear friends, it's time to say goodbye. Like this video and subscribe to our channel, and soon you'll see a lot more cool races with monster trucks. So until then, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Hello, friend. Today we are here again at our city's fire station. Here, there are 4 fire trucks at the station. Take a look at how different they all are.
Emergency call! Emergency call! There is a trash can on fire. Repeat, there is a trash can on fire.
All right, good job.
Attention all units! Attention all units! House on the outskirts of the city is on fire. Urgently send fire brigades.
We need to hurry. Let's save this house. job! We're finished! The fire has been extinguished. Now it's time to go back to the fire station.
Emergency call! Emergency call! Another house is on fire, this time on top of the hill.
It's very hard to drive close to the house. There are ravines and hills all around it.
Urgently send the Special Fire Brigade.
What should we do, friend? How can we get there? Let's choose what fire trucks we will send on the call. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Or number 4. That's right! Number 1 and number 2. Hooray! The fire is put out!